back. Today we're going to be trying out a like 2000s type of blowout like hair. I feel like I always do like makeup tutorials, but I never really do like hair tutorials, so let's do that. Okay, first I'm going to start with some like heat protectant spray. I got this from Amazon. And now I'm going to put some hair in the back like I always do. Alright, first I'm going to take my straightener and just, I'm waiting for it to get hot, so. Okay, now I'm just going to straighten. Okay, I'm letting the straightener cool for a while because I feel like it was getting too like hot. I'm just going to take my spray and just like spray this side since. Okay, now we're going to move on to this side. Okay, trust the process. Now we're going to unclip this. Okay, this didn't come out how I wanted it to, so I'm gonna take the curling iron to kind of make it more like bigger. Okay, this is kind of getting a bit crazy. I'm just gonna like just start curling everywhere. Okay, now it's time for hairspray. Hey guys, this is how it came out. It's not really giving like a blowout, but I tried my best. My hair isn't hairing today. Anyways, thanks for watching this video and keep up for more. Okay, this is a closer look if you wanted to see. It doesn't really look exactly like the pictures, but anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.